Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a decent pickaxe, torches, and food. Now begin by exploring exposed caves, ravines, ocean floors, and cliff faces. Geodes commonly intersect these spaces. Once you find a large cavern or an underwater seam, inspect exposed stone for smooth basalt or a glassy shell silhouette. That white band could be calcite behind an outer layer. Move deliberately, lighting as you go, and break only what's needed so you can trace the geode's shape. Once you spot a smooth basalt or glossy outer shell, start clearing a small, controlled tunnel toward it. Break outer blocks slowly. The geode has layers: outer rock, basalt glass shell, a calcite band, then amethyst. Make a few observation holes so you can see the layers without collapsing the interior. Use an iron or better pick to mine calcite efficiently. Make sure to leave amethyst clusters intact if you want the shards. This careful exposing prevents accidental loss of valuable blocks. Now mine the white calcite band with your iron or diamond pick and collect it for building or decoration. If you haven't found any geodes after a while, change strategy. Check underwater trenches, explore different cave systems, or move to other biomass since geode frequency varies. If you accidentally break amethyst clusters, they won't drop shards. Make observational cuts first. Finally, if a geode seems empty, widen your view holes. Sometimes calcite hides behind a thin layer of stone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.